In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the General Ledger Report module. First, click on Report, Finance Report, and General Ledger Report. Here you'll be required to fill in your preferences for the General Ledger Report that is going to be generated by the system, such as the report date range, the preview report format, the account type, account group, and account name. So let's say I want to generate a General Ledger Report for the month of November 2024. I'll go over to the report date field over here, and in the first box, I'll fill in 2024 November 1st, and in the second box I'll fill in 2024 November 30th. Next up, for preview report, I'll select Crystal Report for now, and for account type, I'll select Fixed Assets. For account group and account, I'll leave them as blank since I want to view all fixed assets in my report. After I'm done filling in my preferences, I'll click on Generate. And as you can see down here, the system will generate for me a General Ledger Report for the month of November 2024 for all fixed asset accounts. In this report, you can see details such as the name of the account and their code, the date of transaction, the reference numbers, which are the document numbers, the description, which normally contains the supplier or customer names, the information, which are the item descriptions, the debit, credit, and balance amounts. If there are no new transactions in the month you selected for a certain account, the system will instead bring forward previous debits and credit amounts. Now moving on, if you would like to download this General Ledger Report, you can click on the download icon over here. And if you would like to print it out, you can click on the print icon over here. Other than that, if you would like to export this report into an Excel file or PDF file, you can click on the buttons over here. Export Excel data and Export to Excel will export this report into an Excel file, while Export to PDF will export this report into a PDF file. So that's it for the Crystal Report Preview Report format. Now we'll move on to Grid View. So once I select Grid View, I'll click on Generate again. And as you can see, the Grid View Preview Report format is slightly different than Crystal Report. In Grid View, the report will take the form of a table, but the details remain the same, which are the date of transactions, reference number, description, information, debit, credit, and balance amounts. However, there are a few extra actions that you can do in this table, such as view the details of a particular transaction. You can do so by finding the transaction in this table and clicking on View Detail on the left. After you do so, the system will bring you to their respective transactions edit page, where you can view their details and even edit their information. So going back, if you click on View Detail of a Bring Forward entry instead of a transaction entry, you will instead be brought to the Bring Forward's General Ledger Report, where it includes all the transactions that were brought forward in the General Ledger Report that you generated. Now, other than viewing the details of entries, you can also search for keywords inside this table by using the search bar up here. So let's say I want to search for the keyword 15. After I type it in the search bar, the system will then return to me all entries with 15 in any of their columns. Other than using the search bar, if you would like to filter the entries based on column values, you can also find your selected column header and click on the funnel icon. So let's say I select these two and click on OK. The system will then filter out the entries based on my selection. Additionally, you can also collapse the groups by clicking on the little arrow over here. To expand them, just click on them again. And finally, just like Crystal Reports, if you would like to export this table into an Excel file or PDF file, you can click on the three buttons over here. Export Excel data and Export to Excel will export this table into an Excel file, while Export to PDF will export this table into a PDF file. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.